Today I've got 3 remote jobs hiring right now, amazing benefits, and you don't need an experience to get started. We will be diving at these companies that are constantly hiring, especially for work from home roles in data entry. This is for you if you do not like long calls, Zoom meetings, and all of that quote unquote annoying stuff. Make sure to stick around till the end because I'll be sharing a bonus opportunity that would help you increase your income. Now, the first company we'll be looking at is Allstate. Hello, welcome to my channel. The go-to spot for the best remote tips, saving tips, and financial tips. I am your host, Queen Baller, and if this is your first time here, you're definitely welcome. Please take a seat and enjoy, relax, and let's get into the video. First company on the list is called Allstate. Allstate is a highly renowned company that offers various types of coverage, whether it's auto, home, or property insurance. And what's even better is that they offer plenty of remote job opportunities and they are hiring a business system analyst. In this role, you'll be responsible for planning, overseeing projects, making sure that the right data is being imputed for follow-up. And if you're interested in securing a data entry remote job and you don't have an idea of what the job is about, are you really serious? So, if you're just starting out or looking to build a remote career, I would recommend kicking off with online courses on platforms like LinkedIn Learning, Google Workforce, and even Allison. This would help you with skills that would sharpen your CV. Your responsibilities will include to lead project planning, solve complex challenges. You would also be in charge to coordinate across teams and provide team leadership throughout a project's life circle. So, if you're looking for a flexible arrangement, the All States career page is a great place to start. Just to mention that they also offer amazing benefits from medical and dental vision coverage, free therapy sessions, and a whole lot more. Just below here, you can see that they are constantly hiring from all over the world. And to my sisters in Nigeria, Uganda, and Africa generally, they also offer opportunities for people like you. The second company is called Optum. It is another top company that is constantly hiring for remote jobs. They are a healthcare company that provides pharmacy care, healthcare services, and they're currently looking for associate benefit analysts to work fully remote. And one thing about this company is that they provide trainings. So if you do not have prior experience or you don't even know how to start, they would provide trainings at least 2 weeks. So you do not need prior experience to apply. The training is conducted virtually Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., making it easy to get started from the comfort of your home. If you're interested in landing a remote role before the end of this year, I want you to comment in the comment section below, work from home ready. And I'll continue to create content to support you in your search. Third company on the list is called CareCentrix, and it is a healthcare management company. It specializes in home-based care and benefit management that have remote roles for you. They're currently hiring a patient billing representative to work remotely. So in this role, you majorly will be doing a lot of data entry, from making sure you have information on, bill payments, when the bill is due, and also processing information. If you do not have any medical background, please don't feel like this isn't for you, or don't feel intimidated, because basically all you're doing is just entering data. So it is nothing relating to, your medical acumen or having any knowledge about medicine. So this is for everybody. Depending on several factors, you would also have opportunities to earn a bonus. On top of that, they offer amazing benefits, including medical, dental insurance, and you also get to go on paid leaves and parental leaves as well. CareCentrix has multiple departments, so you're not limited to just one area. You can start here, get your bearings, and then move up as you build up your experience. If this sounds like a fit for you, make sure to head over to their official website to check out for openings and the perfect match. I also want to invite you to check my channel out, where I share more opportunities and creative ways to make an income from the comfort of your home. If you aren't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? kindly click the subscribe button, like this video, and also drop in a comment where you're watching from so I know where you're watching me from. Now, for the bonus opportunity that I mentioned earlier, if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you, and please drop a heart in the comment section so I can personally thank you for supporting me. So, right now, I want to talk about Scribie. It is another job opportunity where you are paid to listen and transcribe either videos, audios, or podcasts from anywhere in the world. No phones, no calls, no customer service stress, just flexible work hours that you can complete at your own pace. The pay ranges from $22 per audio. So this is not paid in per hour to, as high as $25 per audio or per file. So it depends on the pace at which you want to go, or even higher than that per month. The role offers career advancement opportunities, allowing you to gain insight into various industries, boost your resume. It is a great way to pay up bills or treat yourself to the things you love. Finding a job can be overwhelming, so make sure you're praying and you're also developing yourself personally. As a Christian, I'm always going to be here to encourage you to take your spiritual journey and your spiritual life very seriously. Prayer goes a long way. It goes a long way because there are a lot of things that we do not see. Let's not get into that chat. But yeah, make sure to pray, make sure to take certifications, make sure to improve yourself, and so that your resume would be appealing to your employers. And I'm sure the right door will open. I wish you guys well, and I wish you success in your job hunt. Bye.